friends, I am Moishi and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make an anniversary special greetings card. So let's start making. Ingredients are A4 size paper, 1/2 from A4 size paper, 8 into 8 centimeter paper, black permanent marker, scissor, fevicol and double-sided tape. And we will need white paper, which will be a little bit smaller than this paper, like this. So this is the final look of the anniversary special card, but it is not only for anniversary, but you can give it to anyone, your loved one, anyone, your friends in any occasion. So if you like this cute beautiful card, please like this video and also subscribe my channel for more amazing and fun videos like this. So see you in the next video. Take care and bye. And you can write note inside.